Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the Tahoe OS shortcuts and hotkeys on your MacBook Neo. Let's start with the Spotlight shortcuts. So the Spotlight is called by pressing Command and Spacebar combination of keys. Now this is true for previous versions of macOS 2. However, in Tahoe, we also get Command 1, which will open Applications view, Command 2, which will transfer us to the Files view, Command 3, which will open Quick Actions menu, and Command 4, which will transfer us to the Clipboard History, which is a completely new feature of the Tahoe OS. Now, besides, we also get a few new shortcuts that work with the FN button, and some of these are FN and C if you want to open the control center on your device. If you press FN and N buttons at the same time, you will open the notification center, and if you want to quickly open applications straight from the home screen, you have to press FN, Shift and A, and this will open the applications. Besides, in-game, you can also access the in-game overlay right now, and to do that, you have to press the Command and Escape buttons, and this will let you easily change your in-game brightness and sound levels, also manage controllers quickly and adjust the energy mode, and also enable the game mode. But to do that, we will of course gonna have to disable the low power mode. And so yeah, those are the Tahoe OS shortcuts, and I hope that you found this video helpful. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.